One of the current trends, if you aren't already there, is by digitizing your business. Yes, this means going paperless. As we mentioned in our blog, Going Paperless, there are many benefits of shifting over to a paper-free office. Not only does it work, but it's well worth it. By shifting over to a paperless office, you're not only saving a huge amount of time for yourself and your employees, you are saving your business a lot of money. You won't constantly be in need of paper and ink for your printers, nor will you be sifting through loads of paperwork or busy looking for storage space for your filing cabinets. You'll quickly discover that when you go paperless, not only will you be able to send your invoices out much quicker, you may even receive payments faster. Think of the cash flow improvements that could result. Even though it's going to take a lot of work, in the end, you'll find that it is worth it. We'll look at some of the steps that you, as a business owner, can take to get there in today's video. Let's get started. How to switch to paperless invoicing. Set a date. One of the first things you need to do is to set a date to go paperless. This may seem like an unnecessary step, but if you don't set a date, you may find yourself pushing next month back a month. Set a date and stick to it. You do need to understand the benefits of going paperless for your business, especially when it comes to invoicing. If you aren't sure yourself, check with your bookkeeper, and they can help you to understand how paperless invoicing will benefit you, your business, as well as your customers. They would not only be able to see their invoice on a device of their choosing, and when they want, they would have the option to pay you the same way. You've not only saved yourself the time and expense of addressing an envelope and mailing the invoice, you've saved your customer from having to go pick it up at their mailbox. That's reducing the carbon footprint on both ends. Explain why you're going paperless. The next step is to explain your reason why to your employees. It can be easy to get complacent and not want to accept change. This can be especially true if they don't understand why or see the benefits of the changes. When you get your employees on board, you'll find the transition to be much easier. Now it's time to make some small changes. One process at a time. Look to see how the paper's coming in and going out of your business, and then choose one of those processes to start with. Since we're looking at paperless invoicing, maybe start by looking at the bills you send out. Remember that whether the invoice is coming into your business or going out, it had to originate from somewhere. Typically, it was generated by a computer. These invoices didn't need to be printed, the computer just needed to have the right software. Now that you've made the decision to go paperless, you need to start thinking about which software applications you want to for your business. You need to think about your business's needs, who your customers are, as well as the needs of your suppliers. It may seem like every day there are new software programs making their way into the market. Some are free tools or apps, while others are more extensive and paid-for programs. When choosing the program that you think will be the best for your business, think about not only today's needs, but what programs will also grow with your business. You want your software to scale with you. There are also some questions that you may want to ask yourself when you're picking out your software programming. Choosing the right program. Does the new software program you're looking at work with your bookkeeper's program? Bookkeeping businesses typically work with all of the more popular programs, but if you choose something brand new and unheard of, they may not be familiar with it. Also, make sure that the program will capture everything that you'll need when it comes to tax time. There are software programs that can match up your bank statement and credit card transaction, automatically pay bills when set up, as well as track your employees' time and mileage. There are numerous programs and apps that can work together, and as we mentioned, some software lines are scalable, and you just need time to find the right for your business and your industry. Other considerations. Another question you may ask yourself is whether other people in your industry or one similar to would recommend this particular type of software. You also want to look at the cost. Some programs can be more expensive upfront, while others spread the cost with annual updates or renewal costs. Does the software you're looking at have technical support? This is an important question because even you as the business owner may not have all the answers. If you don't have the technical support, you may find it harder to keep your employees on board. You may also find that some of your employees or suppliers are resistant to change. Ask them why and listen to them for their feedback. It could be something simple like explaining the system in a new way or offering continuous support for them working through the changes. Working together as a team will help you achieve success with your paperless invoicing. Need help from an expert? Figuring out which software program is right for your business can seem like a daunting task. Let one of our experts at Valley Business Center help. For over 30 years, Valley Business Center has been providing comprehensive bookkeeping, payroll, and tax services to our clients in Whistler, Squamish, the Sea to Sky Corridor, and Metro Vancouver, BC areas. Valley Business Center is reliable and effective to all clients. Don't forget to hit the notification button as well as subscribe for more helpful information. Thank you so much for watching.